the operating system, your hardware is useless. Basically like that. When you install operating system, you need to install a certain disk. For example, that is very crucial operating system is Windows by Microsoft, no? Now, Windows is Microsoft is founded by Bill Gates. According to Bill Gates, he buy, let's go towards this. According to Bill Gates, if buying a CD with a computer, there should be only one computer and one per disk only. Dili pwede siya nga ang usa ka computer kuan lain na pod, lain install, no. One CD, one computer only ang role. Manata na he is the richest man in the whole world, si Bill Gates. And then according to him, that they know, they understand that OS before is very expensive. For example, if the OS CD composed of 2,500, and in that case you want, and then you have and your laboratory consists of 10 computers, and how many? It can be multiplied by 10. So you put it like that. Okay. Oh, it's very expensive, no? 25,000 na. That's the time Bill Gates nowadays is very strictly the role of one is to one role of the computer. But some operating systems are pirated na, no? As telling you about it. Next is what is a Windows, no? Windows XP, Windows NT, and lots of more. There are many versions of Windows. Next is Linux. Linux is a open source operating system. Now, many people they using Linux. It's the advantage of that is uh, virus free compared with Windows. And then sa Linux wala siya bayad, no? Puro libre compared sa Windows. You need to buy a certain CD. Then after that, another pod is Mac. Is mga iOS. For for this one, this in Apple, we're coding as iOS OS for Apple. That's I forgot iOS or this one is not considered as modern devices for Apple. For we have here Android. For this is the most popular of these two, no? iOS is the mobile operating system and Android pod. They're popular. Now, the compare of these two, when you buy a certain gadgets, uh, Apple, for example, in Apple company by Apple, we need to buy Apple first like iPad. And what is the content of it is iOS. Dili siya may mo og Android unta. But if you buy Android uh, Android devices that consist of Android OS, there should be a Android that, and you can be upgrade on your system, right? Literally. So mana siya Mac and lots of more. Then application. Application is considered as your programs, right? And then as your program. And then on application, there are two kinds, no? We have your hardware. You can, after installing your operating system, your Windows say, oy, naman ko Internet Explorer, na kay my computer, na kay, but you need to add some programs. This is one example of application that can be installed more on that. For example, in Notepad, there should be lacking of features. That I wanna be install this one, another text editor. So we need to add here. For example, I give you example. Number one is MS Office. Oh my god. Office. Oh my god. Sorry. Number one, MS Office. Number two is Microsoft. For gaming, we have Plants vs. Zombies. And lots of more that can be installed on the computer. You cannot okay, by the way, you cannot install this without this. If you have this, you install it. And then sa user, there are two kinds of user that can be involved. Number one is your IT professionals like us, like me, and some users, let's say, like cashier, like accounting or many people say are part with end users. Mga analyst, designer, a part of this. But mga end users gani, kana mga accounting and such somewhere that can be benefit to the user. So mga siya guys, in that is the overall part of this playlist number one. It's computer introductions. And then by later, I wanna reveal the answers for main 10 question. If what is there is a way on how to use Enye on the keyboard. No, Enye. Enye is the originated by Spanish. So stay tuned for that. This is Manuel Cibergonia for Computer Literacy. Thank you, and in the later I will be show to you the next activity by June. So bayan siya wrap up for May, introduction of April and May, introductions of computers. Thank you and God bless. And mga